Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dua for disobedient child. Today, the Wazifa topic is Dua for disobedient child. Now, come to the point. When performing these duas, always make fresh wuzu. The second point is do not perform these if you are a woman on her monthly cycle. The third point is have complete faith in Almighty Allah when you do this dua. The first wazifa for disobedient children. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi awzini an ashkura ni'mataka allati an'amta alayya wa ala walidayya wa an amala salihan tarzahu wa aslih li fi zurriyati inni tubtu ilayka wa inni minal muslimin. For making children obedient and on the straight path, one should read the ayat 3 times every day. Inshallah, you will be success. The second wazifa is wa aslih li fi zurriyati inni tubtu ilayka wa inni minal muslimin. And do good to me in respect of my offspring. Surely I turn to thee, and surely I am of those who submit. The third wazifa is A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. I seek refuge with Allah against the shaitan, the outcast. This is the powerful and effective Islamic spiritual dua for a disobedient child method from Quranic verses who is hyperactive, misbehave, and does not listen to his parents. Please subscribe my channel and share the videos to others. Jazakallah.